The news in detail. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today said that the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways have adopted a strong stand on land acquisition delays in Meghalaya. Conrad K. Sangma, who met the Minister of Road Transport and Highways in New Delhi, said that the Government of India have even thought of cancelling those projects where there are land acquisition delays, and it has also spoken bypassing those areas where land acquisition continues to exist for a long time. The Chief Minister also said that he met the Union Civil Aviation Minister and has urged him to start night flights from the Shillong Airport. Talks were also held about expansion of Baljek Airport and starting Shillong-Tura flight.
And detailed discussions were made on the different pending projects that are there with the Ministry of Road and Surface Transport. And in those, many issues project-wise were discussed, and the ministry was very concerned about the fact that land acquisitions were not going at the pace which the ministry had expected. At the same time, I apprised him about the projects of the heliports that were being proposed for Shillong and for Tura, and he is assured that he will expedite that.
The